Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change baggage allowance on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type airasia.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Airasia. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change baggage allowance on Airasia. To get this done, then we need to chat with Bo. And how do you do that? Head over to the bottom right corner of your screen and you have this option that says chat with BO. So click on that and the chat window is going to be displayed. Okay. So click on Airasia flights. Now select your carrier code. I'm going to use Airasia Malaysia. So you have popular topics, you have booking changes, you have flight information. Okay. So in here, go ahead and click on add-ons. So just go ahead and click on, after clicking on booking changes, Airasia flights, booking changes, then you have this further options, guest details update, flight change, refund request, click on add-ons. Once you click on add-ons, now click on baggage. So now you're going to, because you want to change baggage allowance, you're going to have to type in purchase checked bags for you to add, of course, more checked bags. Okay. So now you're going to have to add your booking number or PNR, which consists of 6 characters. So after doing that, after providing that and sending it to Bo, Bo is going to help you add or change, increase your baggage allowance. All right, so just go ahead and copy your booking number from your confirmation mail. Add that, and Bo is definitely going to help you change your baggage allowance. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can change baggage allowance in Airasia. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.